Alright guys, so we got our new hole in and our parts already came in. Hasn't even been a week yet. That was on Friday, we're already on Wednesday. And we'll be putting this boat back together, doing the rebuild. Just transfer everything over from this body to this body, and we're good to go. Alright, let's get it. We already took all the electronics out. I think we just gotta take out a couple more things and we'll be set to transfer. We got the lines ran through, servo installed, stuffing tube installed, grease catcher installed, motor ESC installed. Only thing that's left is to install the hardware on the rear. To get these canopies to snug down easier, I put a little bit of marine grease on the threads, and it helps screw them in a lot easier. You won't have to fight it as hard. So put a little marine grease on your threads, and that'll make them slide on real easier, or not real easy, but a lot easier than a dry thread.
This sounds like the jackpot. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business. We're back in business. We're back in business. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business. The time comes when a man's gotta stop running away and face things. The time comes when a man's gotta stop running away and face things. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business. That's what I hate you. Great birthday, dedicated and thankful to my can. What about you can't touch any of my love?
As you guys heard, we're back in business. We hit the jackpot with the blackjack. New body, new hole. So we got the white one right here. It's pretty easy to change it out. It's time consuming. Real tight areas to get in to the servo. Other than that, pretty easy. Here's the broken one. We'll get this out on the water hopefully tomorrow. We'll be out in less than a week. I mean, we fixed it in less than a week. It was broken on Friday, and today's what, Wednesday? So we'll be back out soon, guys. Stay tuned.